Yo, what's going on? So today's video is actually going to be split a little bit because right now it is 8:26, and so I'm going to start a little bit of recording here, and then I'll probably record some more this afternoon, and then of course get it uploaded by 5. I figured because I have a really busy day today, so I figured just get it kind of split up a little bit. Okay, so I know yesterday's video was very boring. Just kind of like, hey, got a new camera. It was a live stream. That was a little different. Again, that was because I was really busy yesterday. But hey, tonight starts fall break, so that's nice. So next week I'm gonna have some homework and stuff, but I'll be able to do a lot more videos. Probably some bike ride videos, probably some more live streams, and just more videos, higher production quality, whole 9 yards. Yeah, so today is just kind of like a wrap up before the end of the quad. I have Spanish, well, I have chapel at 10, or I had for you guys. Chapel at 10, Spanish at 11, well, chapel at 10:40, Spanish at 11:35. I have a meeting at 1, I have class at 2:15, and then I'll go to 3:25, and then I'll be able to come back and record. So today's video, let me pull up my list of videos. Where's that list? Lovely stack right here. Today's video is going to be on, let's see, what should we make today's video on? I'm going to cross out the one I did, making videos more professional, which is kind of an ironic one. Okay, so I think next week, some videos you can look forward to next week is the Garmin versus Apple Watch, editing on DaVinci, GoPro's main camera, why record 2 cameras at once, do you need a mic, just a bunch of these videos, they'll be coming out next week. So I think today we're going to do a video on creating album art, channel art, and thumbnails. So of course with that comes a lot of different things that I'll discuss later when I come back to this video. But the thing is, for me, when I create art for a video or a thumbnail or whatever, I pretty much just open up my editor, which I'll share with you guys, and I'll put a link below, and then just go from there basically. And so what I use is Adobe Spark. I have an Adobe subscription through my school, and it's great, and I just kind of run with it. Usually I will create my track, my video, whatever. If it's for a YouTube video and I have like a thought, then I'll basically like I'll pull up a template, and then I'll kind of hash something together, and then I'll kind of actually take the image that they have in it, I'll replace it, and I'll just do like a search on Adobe's site for the theme of the video. So Apple Watch, I'll find an Apple Watch photo. GoPro, I'll find a photo of a GoPro. And they're all free, it's not illegal or anything, and I will just use them like that. So that's for YouTube thumbnails. For video, so like for music, like album art, that's a lot more subjective, and I do those on a whim. So I name my stuff on a whim. I'll usually, actually, fun fact, usually a lot of my track names are from an audio file within. So Fusion, that had a Fusion audio track. Let's see what's some of my other music, I'll pull up real quick. A Dystopian, that had my newest track, that had an audio clip named Dystopian. Lost in the Sky, that had one called Lost. I kind of hashed that one together and just like made something up with that because I thought it sounded cool. And so then when I was doing the album art for that one, I picked something that was Sky, and it kind of did the mirror flip-flop thing, all that kind of fun stuff. Broken Heart, that had a different cover art originally, but now it has, you know, a heart. Future, they kind of, when I searched up Future to see what they had, it had one like the time warp like type thing. So I did that. Ascension, of course, there was the well-known Kite for that. Ease Your Pain, that one was weird. I think I searched up Circuit Board. I don't know. That one was weird. Round and Round, the original cover art was a lot better. I wonder if I still have that somewhere. That's how I hashed them together. I'll do a more of a tutorial part on the next part of this video this evening. So yeah, fast forward to Jacob at 3:40 p.m. hopefully. Yo guys, what's up? And so it's a little bit later in the day, 4:35 to be exact, just in time to get this video done before dinner, and then I can get it edited, uploaded, hopefully in time. So let's get right into it. So I mentioned this morning a little bit that I wanted to talk about, oh shoot, I forgot about that. Okay, anyway, I wanted to talk about creating album art and channel art / thumbnails for my YouTube channel, for music and all that kind of fun stuff. So as you can see here, I have my desktop up, which is super dope. I'm going to turn on Do Not Disturb. Focus. Do Not Disturb. Good. And we are going to open up Safari. And you did not just see that. Close that. Alright, and so here we are. Welcome to my Spark account, Jacob Tell a Story with Spark. So basically, as you can see, like if I just go to like all my projects here, really, you can see, I mean, I've got dozens upon dozens upon dozens and dozens and hundreds and hundreds. Let's see, how far back does this go, actually? I mean, this is some old stuff. Oh, this is back to 2019. Okay, cool. July 20th, what's this? You might recognize this, let's see. Okay, it's not gonna let me, cool. That's great. So usually what I'll do is, let's say we're doing some album art. So we'll actually talk about, we'll just go with the one I did for my recent one, Dystopian, right? So here we have, what I do is I search for album art, music album. So boom, music album art. And obviously that's because now we'll search here, music album art. Cool. So we're chilling. So let's say I want to just like create something kind of chill but kind of cool looking. We're gonna go with this one because why not? This is not a premium template, so they're not always the best, but we'll go with it anyway. So we're loading everything up. No way, it's not just happening again. Okay, and so sometimes Safari just kills on me. Okay, so Spark, if I could spell, spark.adobe.com. We're chilling. Okay. So, music album art. As you can see, it's a search I've done in the past because, I mean, I do this stuff a lot. So again, we're gonna just go back to this one here. We're gonna remix it. We're gonna go full screen. Cool, we're loading everything. Okay, cool. So first of all, we have this. So what's the name of the track? Well, we're just gonna go with Dystopian again. Also, go stream it, links below. Okay, so we have Dystopian, we like that. We're actually going to make this text black. We're liking these. We like it. It's kind of cool. But we're going to do a black and red theme because that's actually what the theme is. We're going to turn off these filters and we're going to say replace. We're going to say Dystopian. That's actually what I'll do is I will search for the theme. And do we like this? Hate it. So we're going to say replace. We're going to say future. I can't spell. Let's see if it'll just let me correct it here. Futuristic. There we go. We love autocorrect, don't we? Okay, futuristic. So, do you like this? Here you can see actually my cover art I used for my track Future. So that's kind of cool. Seeing that remembrance, but we don't like that. We're gonna go to what's the word I'm looking for? Apocalypse. Cool. So now we're going to go with that because that looks really cool. It's kind of fire, you might say. Okay, cool. So now Dystopian's actually going to be changed to white because that's still going to look cool. These are going to get turned to, what does that look like? Black. Oh, those are going black. Heck yeah. And then this is going to be my name. We actually can't do all caps because my distributor is kind of dumb about this. Jacob step. There we go. We're chilling. That looks cool. Now, so since this is album art, my distributor is kind of picky actually about the sizing. It has to be a certain size. Oh, great. This is gonna be fun. I'm like that. It has to be a certain size, but also under a certain file size. It has to be under 3 meg. Has to be over. There we go. That was a square. But it also has to be over recommended 3000 by 3000. Now we can't do 3 by 3. So we'll usually do 2000 by 2000 pixels. Cool, we're looking good, we're chilling. Now we can say download. Just like that, and then say we want to, boom, looks dope. Now, oh, come on. No. Sound drop. So just to show you kind of how this process works, then I go and say sign in. Not a robot. Go. And now we're going to say add a track. And now I can go here. My post just to verify that's the right one. Yep. Open. See, so we want 3000 by 3000. Highly is recommended. Can't be more than 10 meg. Okay, so sometimes it's picky though, but see, you can see, and then we could go on and go with that. Cool. So that's cover art for albums. Now, let's talk about some YouTube channel art. So again, this is a little bit different. We're gonna go to channel art this time. Channel art. I can spell. I can't spell sometimes, bro. Okay, channel art. Cool. So I used this one actually recently. Okay, so cool. Hobbyland. Here, of course, we're going to say take a piece up. If I can spell my own name. No, E-step. Cool. Subscribe. Okay, and daily videos. Okay, music. Come on. Music. Photography. Videos. Tech. Wow, I spelled like I said. Tech. Boom. Cool. So we like that. We're chilling. Now, this background. Hate it. Let's go with videos. Because you kind of look for the theme and then you go with it. Oh, I didn't know they did a secondary to this one. That's cool. Does it look fake? That's actually really dope. I missed this piece of art. I did for my future track. If you remember that track, that's what this is from. Cool beans, bro. Replace. But we're going with video. So let's go with something like... Oh, Mario. Okay, so that's not getting me what I want. Let's search up YouTube. I can spell. Gee whiz, I cannot spell today. YouTube. There we go. That's how it feels sometimes. Subscribe. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's kind of boring. Kids pretending to be videos. Okay. And don't worry, again, this stuff is all legally, you are legally allowed to use this stuff, so there's no worries about all that kind of fun stuff. Media creation. No, okay, media. Try that. Okay, so let's just say, for lack of a better example, we'll go with, you know, that, because it looks kind of dumb. Cool. Okay, of course, we're going to add an effect. We're going to darken that. We're going to darken it, yep. Okay, and then you are going to be changed to... I'm not liking this background, yo. You replace... Okay, so sometimes I don't even do it based on time, especially for stuff like this. So let's just say I do mountains, because that's what my thing used to be. Mountains. There we go. Now we're talking. Boom. I like that. We're going to rock it. Okay, resize. Obviously, channel art, which is 2560 by 1440. Of course, we're going to pin that. This can go up to 3. There we go. Nice high res. Lock it. 4. There we go. Download. Boom. Download. Boom. It looks great. So that is pretty much how I do channel art, album art, and of course thumbnails. Again, hope that was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. This video was a little bit longer. I need to start trimming these down because my daily videos can't keep being this long. So maybe I'll just call this the long video for the week. I don't know. It is like Friday, so that would actually make sense. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch you guys tomorrow because you know what? We're doing this daily. You already know. You got the monster. We need energy. But actually it's more for focus because caffeine locks me in. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, be sure to smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button while you're at right below because you don't want to miss when I release a new video. So thank you guys. I'll catch you guys around. Take it easy, fam. Peace.